ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। यूनिट 6 कॉन्टिजेंट एंड क्वासी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स। यूनिट ओवरव्यू कॉन्टिजेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स रूल्स रिलेटिंग टू enforcement of contingent contracts, difference between contingent and wagering contract, quasi contracts, causes deemed has quasi contracts, contingent contracts. In this unit, we shall briefly examine what is called a contingent contract, its essentials, and the rules regarding enforcement of this type of contracts. The Contract Act recognizes certain cases in which an obligation is created without a contract. Such obligation arise out of certain relation which can be called as contract in the strict sense. There is no offer, no acceptance, no consensus ad idem, and in fact neither agreement nor promise, and yet the law imposes an obligation on one party and confers a right in favor of the other. We shall have a look on these cases of quasi contracts. A contract may be absolute or a contingent. An absolute contract is one where the promisor undertakes to perform the contract is a contract in any event without any condition. Definition of contingent contract, section 31. A contract to do or not to do something if some event contractual collateral to such contract does or does not happen. Contracts of insurance, indemnity, and guarantee fall under this category. Example: A contracts to pay B rupees 10 lakh rupees if B's house is burnt. This is a contingent contract. Example: A makes a contract with B to buy his house for 50 lakh rupees if he is able to secure two bank loan for that amount. The contract is contingent contract. A makes a contract with B to buy his house for 50 lakh rupees that if he also to secure two bank loan for that amount. The contract is contingent contract. Meaning of collateral event. Pollock and Muller defined collateral event as an event which is neither a performance directly promised as part of the contract nor the whole of the consideration of a promise. A contracts to pay B 10 lakh rupees if B's house is burnt. This is a contingent contract. Here, the burning of the B's house is neither a performance promised as part of the contract nor it is the consideration obtained from B. The liability of A arises only on the happening of the collateral event. Example: A agrees to transfer his property to B if her wife C dies. This is a contingent contract because the property can be transferred only when she dies. Essentials of a contingent contract. The performance of a contingent contract would depend upon the happening or non-happening of some event or condition. The condition may be precedent or subsequent. Example, A promises to pay 50,000 rupees to B if it rains on first of the next month. The event referred to has collateral to the contract. The event is not part of the contract. The event should be neither performance promised nor a consideration for a promise. Thus, first, a where A agrees to deliver 100 bags of wheat and B agrees to pay the price only afterwards. The contract is a conditional contract and not contingent because the event on which these obligation is made to depend is part of the promise itself and not a collateral event. Second, similarly, where A promises to pay B 1 lakh rupees if he marries C, it is not a contingent contract. A agreed to construct a swimming pool for B for 20 lakh rupees and B agreed to make the payment only on the completion of the swimming pool. It is not a contingent contract has the event that is construction of the swimming pool is directly connected with the it is not a contingent contract has the event is directly connected with the contract that is construction of the swimming pool is directly connected with the contract. The contingent event should not be a mere will of the promiser. The event should be contingent in addition to bring the will of the promiser. Example, if A promises to pay B 1 lakh rupees if he so chooses, it is not a contingent contract. In fact, it is not a contract at all. However, where the event is within the promiser's will, not merely his will, it may be contingent contract. Example, if A promises to pay B 1 lakh rupees if it rains on 1st April and A leaves Delhi for Mumbai on a particular day, it is a contingent contract because going to Mumbai is an end, no doubt within A's will, but raining is not merely his will. The event must uncertain. Where the event is certain or bound to happen, the contract is due to performed, then it is a not contingent contract. Example, A agreed to sell his agriculture land to B after obtaining the necessary permission from the collector. As a matter of course, the permission was generally granted on the fulfillment of certain formalities. It was held that the contract was not a contingent contract as the grant of permission by the collector was almost a certainty. Rules relating to enforcement. The rules relating to enforcement of a contingent contract are laid down in section 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 of the Indian Contract Act 78. Enforcement of contract contingent on an event happening. Section 32 says that where a contingent contract is made to do or not to do anything, if an uncertain future event happens, it cannot be enforced by law unless and until that event has happened. If the event becomes impossible, becomes such such contracts becomes void. Example: A contracts to pay B a sum of money. B when B marries C, C dies without being married to B. The contract becomes void. Enforcement of contracts contingent on an event not happening. Section 33 says that where a contingent contract is made to do or not to do anything, if an uncertain future event does not happen, it can be enforced only when the happening of that event before event become becomes impossible and not before. Example: where P agrees to pay Q a sum of money if a particular ship does not return, the contract becomes enforceable only if the ship sinks so that it cannot return. Where A agrees to pay sum of money to B if certain ship does not return, however, the ship returns back. Here, the contract becomes void. A contract would cease to enforceable if it is contingent upon the conduct of a living person when that living person does something to make the event of conduct has impossible of happening. Section 34 says that if a contract is contingent upon has to how a person will act at an unspecific time, the event shall be considered to have become impossible when such person does anything which renders it impossible that he should so act within any definition, time or otherwise, than under future contingencies. Example: where A agrees to pay B a sum of money if B marries C, C marries D, and this act of C has rendered the event of B marrying C has impossible. It is tough possible if there is divorce between C and D. In Frost versus Knight, the defendant promised to marry the plaintiff on the death of his father. While the father was still alive, he married another woman. It was held that it had become impossible that he should marry the plaintiff and she was entitled to sue him for the breach of contract. Contingent on happening of a specific event within the fixed time. Section 35 says that contingent contracts to do or not to do anything. If a specific uncertain event happens within a fixed time becomes void if at the expiration of the time fixed such event has not happened or if before the time fixed such event becomes impossible such event becomes impossible. Example: A promises to pay B a sum of money if certain ship returns within a year. The contract may be enforced if the ship returns within the year and becomes void if the ship is burnt within the year. Contingent on specific event not happening within fixed time. Section 35 also says that contingent contracts to do or not to do anything if a specific uncertain event does not happen within a fixed time may be enforced by law when the time fixed has expired and such event has not happened or before the time fixed has expired. If it becomes certain that such event if it becomes certain that such event will not happen. Example: A promises to pay B a sum of money if a certain ship does not return within a year. The contract may be enforced if the ship does not return within the year or is burnt within the year. The contract may be enforced if the ship does not return within the year or is burnt within the year. Contingent on an impossible event. Section 36. Contingent contingent agreement to do or not to do anything if an impossible event happens are void whether the impossibility of the event is known or not to the parties to the agreement at the time when it is made. Example: A agrees to pay B 1 lakh rupees if sun rises in west next morning. This is an impossible event and hence void. Example: X agrees to pay by 1 lakh rupees. X agrees to pay by 1 lakh rupees if two straight lines in should enclose a space. The agreement is void. Difference between a contingent contract and a wagering contract. Basis of difference: contingent contract, wagering contract. Meaning: a contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something with reference to a collateral event happening or non-happening. Wagering contract: a wagering agreement is promise to give money or money's worth with reference to an uncertain event happening or not happening. Reciprocal promises. Contingent reciprocal promises. Contingent contract may not contain reciprocal promises. A wagering agreement consists of reciprocal promises. Uncertain event. In a contingent contract, the event of is collateral. In a wagering contract, the uncertain event is core factor. Nature of contract. Contingent contract may not be wager in nature. A wagering agreement is essentially contingent in nature. Interest of contracting parties. Contracting parties have interest in the subject matter in contingent contract. The contracting parties have no interest in the subject matter. Doctrine of mutuality of loss and gain. Contingent contract is not based on doctrine of mutuality of loss and gain. A wagering contract is a game. Losing and gaining alone matters. Effect of contract. Contingent contract is valid. A wagering agreement is void. Effect of contract. Contingent contract is valid. A wagering agreement is void. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.